Hey guys, welcome back to the 41st Legion. Today we're going to be looking at a Star Wars Legion Phase 1 Clone Trooper Upgrade Expansion. Here's a look at the front of the box. Got the side. Look at the back. Closer look at the figures on the back. Shows off some of the different kind of poses you can get. Let's go ahead and get this opened up here. Put that over there. Looks like these are still soft plastic, guys. So here is the Phase 1 Clone Trooper expansion. Different poses. Got your components list. Got some new rules on the back. And then just your legals and credits and stuff. You get 4 tan bases. I can go ahead and open one of these guys since they are in the soft plastic. Put them together real quick for you so you can get a look at them. Which arm is it? Do they look the same? I think they're the same. Here is a look at the Rocket Trooper. He does come with his standard gun too if you just want to do that. And a regular head. But I'll leave the helmets on myself. These guys look awesome. I love the little skirts on them. Put him back in the bag. And then get your other 3 guys, your captain. I can't remember what guys come with it. So yeah, your captain, your spec ops, and your comms upgrade guy. Let's go ahead and open this. Get out the cardboard and the cards. So for the cardboard, you get your proof of purchase. You get 6 surge tokens, an aim, a standby, a dodge, and a smoke grenade. You get a 3 suppression, and then a core unit. Activation token. You get the just standard Phase 1 Clone Troopers card, same as the one that comes in the core set. That's the back of it if you just want to see it. Let's look at these upgrade cards. You get the Phase 1 Clone Captain. It's 17 points. The points may have changed. You add 1 Phase 1 Clone Trooper Captain Mini. You gain the columns upgrade. That's not columns. And when you activate, you cannot remove suppression tokens or be suppressed during the activation. And that unit becomes the leader, and it's exhaustible. You get the Phase 1 Clone Specialist. Add 1 Phase 1 Clone Specialist Mini. You gain the gear upgrade icon. Gain 1 aim or dodge token or surge token, and it's exhaustible. Then you have the DP-23 Phase 1 Clone Trooper. It's range 1 to 2, 2 black, 1 white. You add 1 DP-23 Phase 1 Mini, and it has Pierce 1. And then then we have the RPS 6 Phase 1 Trooper. It's range 2 to 4. one red, one black, one white, and one trooper. It's cumbersome. You cannot use this weapon to move during the same activation, and it has impact 2. While attacking a unit that has armor, change 2 hits to crits. You also get a copy of Offensive Push with this. You get Tactical 1. You also get a copy of Smoke Grenades and a copy of Electro Binoculars. That is everything that comes in the Phase 1 Clone Trooper Upgrade expansion. I like it more just for the actual models themselves and how they look. So, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe.